Hello again. Sawyer Mini water filter. If you've got one of these, or you're thinking of buying one of these, you might have seen a lot of reports about poor flow rates, or that they completely dry up and end up being thrown in the bin. But I just want to show you a little trick that you may or may not have seen before, and definitely worth a go. Now, you should always also do this if you've not used the filter for a while. If you put it away for the winter, or for a few weeks before you need to rely on it, you should give it a good testing and do what I'm about to suggest. So I've got a pouch of water here. The other thing about low flow rates on these, particularly if you're using the standard Sawyer water bottles, they don't stand up to a lot of abuse, and they will tend to split if you're not careful. So yeah, worth bearing that in mind if you're using the standard water bottles. So strap on the bottle, take the top off, otherwise the flow rate will be bad, and give it a go. And that's actually not too bad. So that's been sitting unused all winter and it's fine. So I can't show you some miraculous cure, but if it does get clogged up or dried up, instead of throwing it in the bin, just get a bowl of water, leave the top off again, and throw it in there for 24 hours, then test it again. So yeah, as I say, mine's working fine, so I can't really show you some sort of miraculous transformation, but if yours is slowed up, just give that a try before you give up on it. So anyway, I hope that comes in useful to some of you, and yeah, if your filter has dried up, then I hope that solves the problem. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Cheers folks.